How to draw pixel NFTs for free. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can draw your very own pixel art NFTs for free. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, I'm over here onto this website called pixelart.com, and this is a pretty amazing website, and over here you can create pretty amazing NFTs which are in pixelizations, and you can have really fun creating them, and they're really easy to do. So they're not really hard. So let's go ahead and do it. So at the top, I'm going to go ahead and create an account. Create an account is very simple. Just simply click on create account. It's going to take you over to this website, and over here you just enter in your email address and click on create an account, or you connect with Twitter, Facebook, or Google. It all depends on you. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Google, and I will catch you guys in a second. And once you have created an account, this is how it looks like. This is going to be your dashboard, and this is your home. This is basically your feed where you will find and see all of the NFTs that the people you follow have created. So it's really simple. It's really cool. So let's go ahead and do it. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to click on start drawing over here at the top right corner, and it's going to take us to the Canva over here where we can start to create it. So first things first, the width and height is 100%, but how do we start doing it? So first we need to have a little bit of inspiration. So for example, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go into Google Images, and I'm going to search for pixel art, right? And in images, I'm going to go over here and see all of these different images that you see over here, and we can choose any one of them and we can create one very easily. So over here we have a bunch of different ones. So let's just assume that this skull, right? Let's try to create one. Like, it's very simple, it's very easy, right? So let's go ahead and create one. We'll keep it open over here and try to create one over here. So let's go ahead and say 100 by 100. Yeah, that looks good. So let's go ahead and click on start new drawing. So now what we want is we want to choose the pencil tool, and we're going to go with the 4. All right, 4 pixels pencil tool. All right, let's go ahead and check it out. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. All right, 13 over here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So let's go with 1, and then 2, and then 3, then 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. All right, a little bit more. I think that looks good. Yeah. Now, as you can see, we have to go up for the teeth. So now we're just gonna go up over here, and we're gonna go up over. Oh, we're gonna go up over here for the teeth. Right? It looks really nice. I think I may have done a little bit over here, so let me just go ahead and equal it out. Yeah, here we go. Another one. Yeah, it looks pretty good, I think. Yeah, I think that looks fine. So now we're gonna go ahead and create like an index over here so that it's moving up as it is over here, and then we just go up 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Here we go. Up over here for the chin, and then we go more up over here. 1 2 1 2, and then 1 2 3 1 2 3 for this one, and then we go a little bit more up, right? So for here we go like this, and same goes over here. See, looking pretty nice. Now we go over here a little bit more, same goes with here, and now we just do it like this, and then go with this, and boom. See, it was really easy, really simple. Well, not so simple. There you go. So as you can see, it's really simple, it's really easy. Now all that's left for us to do is to create the eyes and the nose. So let's go ahead and do that. So nose is supposed to be in the center, right? So we'll just go ahead and create like a box over here. There we go. It's not completely in the center, but you get the point. Let me just erase it a little bit so that it's more squarish, right? Yeah, I think that looks good. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, I think that looks nice from the bottom as well. There we go. Now it looks good. Now what's next is we need to create big eyes. So let's go ahead and create some big eyes. Just do that, right? There we go. Now we go up over here. Now we go like over here. It's really simple, really easy. Now we do it like that. Oh, here we go. Let me just go ahead and erase this part real quick and this part real quick. So As you can see, it looks pretty nice. Now let me just go ahead and fill it in. There we go. We have our eye over here, one eye. Then we go over here, same thing, completely accurate. So there we go. Now it's much, much better. Filling this in. There you go. Now we just do it like this again. There we go. And now we fill in the eyes as well. There you go. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. It could have been a little bit better if I just moved the eyes a little bit over here. But for now, I think it looks really good. Now that that's done, now what we need to do is actually to create something else. We need to create a layer. So this was the background, right? Now we want to create a layer. Now we want to create like colors over here. So we want to do this, gonna do this, do this, this. We're just gonna fill it out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video right here because I'm gonna go ahead and color this all out. I'm pretty sure it's boring stuff and you don't want to see it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pause this video up and I will catch you guys in a second. So as you can see, I filled it up. It looks really, really nice, really good. I would have to say that, yeah, I did think I did outdid myself here. It looks really nice. I even fixed the eyes a little bit. So now it's a little bit more centered. Now it's not connecting and now they're more equal as well. I think 1, 2, yeah, 1 and 2. Okay, so they're not really equal. Let me just go ahead and fix that real quick. All right, my God, that's embarrassing. Okay, 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2. Yeah, I think that's good. So let me just go ahead and put this out as well. There you go. Much, much more better. You know, overall, I think it looks really nice. All 4 corners equal. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you basically create an NFT, a pixel art, you know. I mean, that definitely looks much better than mine. Mine is more blockier and his is more round. So, but I think everyone has their own taste. So like I was just giving you an example on how to do it. I mean, of course, for you, it might be different. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on file and we're going to click on resize the canvas. And we're going to go with 1000 pixels of height, 1000 pixels of width, and we're going to click on resize the content as well. Actually, no, we're not going to, yeah, resize the content as well. Then we're just simply going to click on resize drawing. Boom. Now we have really, really high quality drawing, I think. Actually, I don't think it worked. Wait, let me go with 0, 0, resize drawing. No, I don't understand why it didn't work, but it should definitely work. I mean, it's pretty simple. Let's simply click on resize drawing. Yeah, but I think it didn't work. So, well, I mean, it should work. I don't know why it didn't work. Usually it works. Sometimes I don't know what's wrong with me. I really don't know. I feel like I'm cursed, you know. Pray for me, guys. Anyway, this is how you basically do it. And then what you're going to need to do is you're just simply going to go into save drawing over here, download PNG, right? And just simply click on download. And you can even like download, you know, you can even change the height and width of it over here. So actually, let me just go ahead and do that. Download 1000 height, 1000 width. We'll just simply click on over here, click on save. We have our image downloaded. Now if I click over here, there we go. As you can see, this is how it looks like. We have colorful skull. That's how you basically do it. That's how you create a NFT pixel art for free. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below. And also, guys, before I end this video, let's go ahead and save this as well. So save it as well. I'm going to call it colorful skull. I'm going to click on save drawing. As you can see, it's creating replay. So just wait for a couple of seconds for when it's done. And then you can go ahead and close the browser because you will have your progress saved. And yeah, that's basically it. After you've saved it, just simply go over here, click on go to image, and you can go ahead and view your image as well. So yeah, then you can choose whatever you want to do with it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And if you know anyone of your friends and family members who are like, you know, into pixel arts or trying to learn how to create one, or, you know, don't know where to start, then be sure to share this video with them so that they can know as well. So if you found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.